Grüß euch. Greetings, I'm Doran from Artu, Germany. And today I'd like to show you our M2 fully ground high-speed steel drill. Heat treated to perfection, ground to highest precision and sharpness. So sharp that you will cut your finger when you touch the flue too hard. Lars,
Yeah,
let's show them what this drill bit can do.
yeah. And now we're going to show you Artu HSS. And the thing is, when you use it, high speed on the machine. And the thing is, you don't need any water, no cutting off. Like this, and it's German quality and German precision. Here you just pull full on the machine. And you can see. And grade 40 rebar. And the same thing, full on the machine, high speed, and no water, no cutting off. And the thing now with a bit, cold.
And the point looks still like new. Artu HSS. I'm Doran from Artu, Germany, and I've got this for you.